Mom, the one name is Caroline.
Your friend?
Yeah, and the one that got the one got a twin boy. So after they done from school, they can come.
No, I don't think so, because their mommy is working today. You miss them, di ay? You miss playing with them? Yeah?
I like playing with them.
Do you? Why you like playing with them?
Because they always be nice to me.
Ah, that's good. They're always nice to you, right? The twins. Okay, let's put this one upstairs, be. Miss niya daw yung kanyang friendship. Uy! Si Bulldog nagkuan naman. Uy, ang gulo-gulo ng Pilipinas. Nanood ako ng news about Duterte. What's happening the Duterte, Jenny? Huh? Tapos Jenny, oh, relax lang Jenny, oh.
Bulldog.
Relax lang ang Jenny na walang nagawa ng buhok. Igna, hello, titas. How's everybody?
Mama.
Bulldog niya. Are you bringing JJ's bawaw? Yeah? Uy, nagdiwal. Oo, kay klaro, eh, magdiwal man ka. Why yun nagdiwal? Make na hair na.
Bulldog glasses.
What?
Bulldog glasses.
Bulldog glasses? Pag si Jenny lang dito sa bahay, very peaceful. Walang away, walang gulo. Pero pag nandito yung kanyang ate, ay naiyak to siya kaya nag-aaway sila.
Handsome.
Dog handsome? Are you pretty? Gawa sa ka-hair, babe. Make sa hair. Ay, mura man ako, wak-wak. Jenny's early? Oh no, you didn't bring the bawaw. You forgot. I hope JJ won't cry.
And I forgot.
What?
I forgot my glasses.
You forgot your glasses? Oh no.
That's why you said. That's why you said pick it. The seat is hot.
Is it?
Yeah.
Sobrang aga namin ni Inday. Very good kay ni Inday. Ayaw namin malate magkuha kay Jessica. Sometimes kasi yung traffic di natin alam. Okay lang kung naglalakad pa kami dati kay ay bahalag traffic dyan. Pwede kaming maglusot-lusot. Yes?
My head says go to here.
Yeah, that's okay.
Why my head go to here?
This is the seat.
I think it's some tall.
Yeah. 4, 5,
5,
6.
6.
What number is this? 1,
1,
2.
2.
Where's number 1? Good job. What number is that?
Number 1.
Good job. Where's number 2? Can you point number 2 for mommy, please? 2? 2. What number is that?
2.
Nako, iwan ko ni Inday. Ayaw mag-learn. Zip it. It's a bit cold. Dito.
Happy, 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 yeah. And she's the right trolley.
Oh, look, they have flowers, oh. Gusto ko ng tulips. Wala man tulips. Hala lang, there's strawberry lang, oh. 7 pounds. Yeah. There's something in your ears. That's so cute. Ang cute ng rabbit
Mommy,
nila.
this small one.
Oh, why they're so heavy?
What? They're heavy? It's heavy.
Yeah. Tignan nyo yung price nito, oh.
Mommy,
Yan
this
yung
is
parang
like a
gazebo
bed.
nila.
I want to take my...
Yung ano lang yan ha, yung set ng parang rattan na chair nila. So sa akin tong uncle, hindi to ganito na kuan
Wait,
price.
Mommy, I think these make sounds.
Yeah? Tapos yung payong is
Oh, Mommy, they have these
175.
because there's metal inside.
Yeah? Come here, let's look here. Mommy, I will look for kuan. Meron kayang umbrella dito? Hoy, 300 na siya. Sa Pilipinas, magpanday lang tayo ng bamboo. Ito oh, maganda. 75. I like that one, anak.
Me too.
250. Oh, there's barbecue, oh. Barbecue. Na, barbecue. Patay, nag-spin na yung dalawa. No, oy, they will be mad. Come on. Ang ganito nila, oh, medyo mahal din tong mga chair na ganito. Wala man payong, nak. There's no umbrella man, anak. Did you see Mommy's umbrella? Where is it? Huy.
I got these in school.
Oh, wow. Baka mayroong pillow dito na yung parang hotdog para sa baby. Ay, magtingin tayo dito sa giliran. Do you? I thought you like purple. There's purple there, oh. There's purple ones.
I like that one. I
Do you?
like this one.
Nice.
That one.
That one, oh, purple, Jenny. Purple. Wait there, I will check for pillow. Yung pillow na circle ba? Yung parang hotdog. Eh, wala man, oy. There's no pillow, no hotdog. Ano daw? Pillow, no hotdog. Wala man silang hotdog na pillow, oy.
Whoa.
They don't have.
Yeah, so can we go home? No.
That one, anak, is nice.
Is this picture? Wait, are you not?
Aesthetic.
Is this the one that you can pop?
Yeah, but that's plastic. That's fake one. Don't touch it, kay maybe you will damage it.
This spinny stuff.
Yeah, that make noise. Come. Wala mang strawberry.
Is it? Mommy, this right have that?
Yeah, Greg have it. Jenny, put your jacket. It's cold.
How? Yeah.
Wala may strawberry. What is this one? Bulaklak man ata to.
Yeah, so we have to run away from.
Nah, naglaro na yung dalawa. Wala pa silang strawberry, oy. Ito, cranberry ata. Fruit plant. Ay, ayan, oh. Grow your own. Raspberry man siya.
I just saw these.
You? There's no anything else here. Wala pa sila masyadong fruit trees. Ay, mga fruits. Hala, nagtakbo-takbo naman itong dalawa, oy.
I just saw these.
You see, B? Ayan yung kanilang mga roses, oh. Tag 20 pound in tawon. Ang mahal. Ay, may tag 5 pound doon. Ayaw ko ng rose kay makatinik kasi.
4,
Saan ni sila naglaro na dito? Ginawa ng playground. Hala. Mahilig ba kayo sa bulaklak? Iwan ko ang aking dalawang anak. Ambot, asan na silang dalawa. May ganito, ganito lang yung klase ng bulaklak nila. Mga ganyan. Iba man yung bulaklak natin sa Pilipinas, no? May ganito din sila, oh. Ito, ganito. Lang, oh, look at this one, nak. It's cute.
2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Saan na mo naglaro naman mo?
Here, anak.
It's here. There it is. Is it tulip? There, look. Wow.
Tulip?
Yes.
Tulip.
This one. There it
This
is.
is not. Wait, this is a lip.
Tulips.
Is this a lip? Yeah.
There's a purple one.
What is the purple?
This one. How much is this?
I like the pink one. The pink one is super yummy.
Yeah. They don't have the pink one.
There you go.
They only have yellow.
Look, there is a pink one.
That's purple.
No, it's pink.
That one is mixed color.
Ooh, so this pink and that pink. What happens if it grows? Well, look.
It's nice.
Well,
They're nice. You have to transfer them.
I like it purple.
But it's very expensive for that pea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 pound each, I think. Oh, yuck.
Okay. What?
JJ, what are you doing?
What? Jenny wants to eat.
That one. No, this one. Here, JJ. 4 pound each. 1, 2, 3. Uy, apat lang.
Spiky. Spiky.
Yes.
Ooh, what's this? Is this a lip? Yeah. That's a seed.
Ano kaya to siya? Oh, parang ahas.
Flower.
Para siyang ahas.
Mommy, look at this tulip.
Is that tulip? I don't think so.
It is. It's a nice tulip. Yeah.
Oh, wow. How much are they? Ang mahal ng bulaklak nila dito.
£1.22.
12 pound.
2 for £12. I actually had this one. And ooh, this one. What's the stick for?
That's for the garden.
But it's Bow Wow. Wait, no, this is Bow Wow.
Yeah?
Both of them are Bow Wow. This can be a bunny. This is another
Gustong gusto talaga nilang mga ganito. Oh. Ay, ambot nitong mga bata na
A
ito.
bunny. Head hard. I will bite you. Slug. Okay, the one that I like the most is
Dog.
this one.
Dog is cute.
I like yeah.
And the rabbits.
Even this one. Yeah, I like this one. I like this one the most. Okay, let's go. Look at this foxy. Ooh, that's a flex.
Jenny, look.
Wait, mommy. Another doggy.
Ang dalawa o para na silang mga kabayo. Gyud, sobrang hyper. Quickly lang, JJ. I have to take that trolley, oh.
And can put my
Put your jacket. Okay, it's cold. Did you use sanitizer? Oh, that's good. Bilan natin si Wayne ng KitKat. Ito lang siguro, no? Jenny, you want some snack? Oo, nagdagandagan na. Okay.
It's 25p.
Jenny, you want some snack?
Jenny, you want a lollipop?
Didn't get something. Jenny have 3. Yeah, that's the lollipop. Thank you. What? Okay. Put it then outside. Kabili ako ng isda. Thank you. JJ, help mommy here. Yung bata nag-open ng candy. Jenny, help mommy put that one. Ang mahal pala nito na isda. Oh, tag 4 pounds siya.
Dad's mad at her. He opened it because he opened the thing, but the dad didn't pay.
Yeah. That's okay. Kids do that. Because they don't know what they're doing, do they?
The baby high-fiving.
Yeah. Here you go. JJ. Hello, oy, kadugay. Kuha na ninyo, oy. Let's go na, Jenny. Ha?
Baby gave me that.
No, she just put it there and she wanted to eat that one, the other one.
So why the baby want to open it?
She likes to open it.
She wants to.
Tapos na kaming mamili. Hindi alam ni Wayne na namili kami. Iwan ko saan siya. Nag-send ako ng dinner sa kanya kung ano yung gusto niya today. Wala mang reply, oy. Doon kami nakapark. Yes?
And the baby is crying.
Because the daddy is upset with her. The daddy is not happy with her.
But I
Kailangan ko talaga itong i-finalize dito. Oh. Yung aming kuan ba?
No, Jenny, don't do that.
Aming lalagyan. Sobrang kalat ng aming sasakyan.
Mommy,
Yes?
I think I don't want to that.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Wow, good job.
Oh,
Good job lang.
something good.
Shopping pa mo rin yung Inday. Asan kaya si Wayne today, no? At least hindi na tayo maglalakad, magdala-dala ng shopping. Nakamove on na yung Inday sa paglalakad. Ganito lang to ba, pero 50 na ito dito. 50 pound. Ang tubig ni Inday
Why the
Jessica.
baby open that?
What?
Why the baby open that?
Kanina raman ko sige explain anak lang, oy.
Oh my God, baby says open that.
Yeah, the baby's upset. Ang
Why
bigat.
the baby says open
Ah, ang bigat na.
And why the baby open that?
She wanted to eat it. One snack. Naiwan ko yung mga bata doon sa sasakyan. Nag-behave lang man din sila. You looking? Okay, check it for check it for mommy if there's scar.
Johnny, check. I'm sticking it to this window. You got a square window? I don't know.
Ah!
No,
My position's wrong.
you're fine. Just fixed it.
I think I'm too close.
Yeah,
Okay.
you are.
Whee!
Doggy, doggy.
Da, kahit di mo na puyo.
Mommy, Johnny,
What?
So Johnny hurt her face on the keyboard on it. Wait, Mommy, do you see?
Yeah, I did. She don't behave, man.
Cause
You should put your seatbelt even if mommy's parking. You should just sit down there.
That's the car.
That's the car without. What?
Mommy, why is that pudding?
Inside the house.
Can I take it up?
Oh my gosh. JJ,
What?
get your bag.
Okay. Ow, my eye. No, Mommy. Did my booty done.
Is your booby done?
And I'm cold.
You cold eye?
Yeah.
There you go.
I need.
Linisan ko ito dito. What?
I put my bag by the Wi-Fi.
Yeah? Wait there, I'm just cleaning that one. Cause look, there's a lot of things inside. Diba? Malinis na. Wala na masyadong kalat. Ayun kasi ang nagdala ng kalat. Uy, yung madami naming bags ba. Tapos ito ay yung ano sa chair ni Jessica. Nahihiya ako kay mag-open. Sobrang kalat. Ito yung aming dinner ng mga bata. Isda. Maninengkamot na inyong Inday na. Mostly gawain. Ako na lang. Magsundo kay Jessica. Ako na lang. Mag-grocery. Ako na lang. Wala na si Wayne. Kasi mula nang nakaka-drive na ako, parang kuan na. Parang nag-iisa na lang ako sa mundo. Kaya nagtrabaho manggod si Wayne. Oy, ako na lang. Kami na lang ng mga bata. Wala na lang masyado yung kanilang daddy. Dati kasi kami, pamilya, kami mag-grocery. Ganun ba? Sama talaga. Uy, grabe. Galaw ng galaw ang aking tiyan. Today, another day. Si Inday Elgin. Oy, sama ko yung mga bata dito. Aray ko. Mag-ano muna ako. Diyan muna kayo ha. Magkuan ako. Maghalay ako ng mga ano na mga bata. Naglaba ako today. Ay, ang bigat na ng aking tiyan, pero kinakaya ko pa din gawaing bahay. Sabi nga ng aking kapatid na, TR, huwag ka masyadong magpaka-stress. Si mama at yung aking mga dalawang kapatid nag-worry sa akin dahil last time nga, para nag-contraction ako ba, na palaging tumitigas yung aking tiyan. Pero hindi naman ako nag-water break. Pag mag-water break daw yun, nag-labor or nagdugo kayo. Yung aking kapatid nung nag-labor siya is dugo ba? Dugo daw yung nag-una. Tapos yun na, nag-anak na siya. Ako wala naman. So hindi ako mag-worry. Sabi nga ni Wayne sa akin na magtawag ng doktor or doon sa GP. Hala, kailangan ko palang tawagan talaga yung aking GP, no? Dahil need nila i-monitor yung aking ito, ang size ni baby. Dahil sa chart daw, sabi ng doktor last time sa chart, parang nasa normal lang siya, pero iba yung nakikita niya daw. So in 2 weeks time, sabi niya in 2 weeks time, book your appointment sa inyong midwife para ma-check daw ako. So kailangan ko yung pala, i-book. 2 weeks time pa man, oy. Pero, last, pa kasi yun. Ilang mga weeks na siya nagsabi. 2 weeks time. 2 weeks time na siguro ngayon. Nanonood sila ng TV. Hindi ko pina-iPad dahil sabi ko sa kanila, i-rest yung kanilang mata. Same pa din TV.
Wow, that's pretty heroic.
Naglaban ako kay usually, ang aking laba is every talaga, weekend. Pero masyadong madami na yung labahin. Ayaw ko na ipon-ipon ba. Gusto ko na sa weekend, yung lalabahan ko is kay Wayne at sa akin. Kaya pag nandito na yung bata, magsige na ko anig laba. Lalo na pag newborn. Grabe ang newborn sa labahin. Every now and then maglaba sa newborn ng mga damit. Ay, hinihingal na talaga ako ay as in sobrang bigat ng aking tiyan. Nakausap ko nga yung aking neighbor kahapon ata yun. Nagkita kami doon sa school. Sabi niya sa akin, panty ni Inday. Sabi niya sa akin na happy daw siya. Na nakapasa na daw ako kasi hindi na ako maglalakad ba kay mahirap ba yun ang sitwasyon na mabigat ang tiyan tapos sobrang layo nang nilalakad. Lalo na ako back and forth. Sobrang sakit talaga sa leg, sa lahat. Tapos mayroon ito pa aking mukha walang alaga talaga Wala talaga, nabuntis ako nito. Ayaw ko mag-alaga sa aking self. So ngayon, sabi niya sa akin kahapon, Elgin, I'm so happy na pumasa ka na. Sabi ko, oo nga. Tapos, ang bait kasi ng aking examiner. Alam niyo, ang aking examiner, pinakamabait ata yun siya na examiner. Sabi ni Mark, naging instructor kasi daw yun siya dati. Tapos parang alam niya ba yung sitwasyon ng pagiging, alam niyo yung mag-study yung mga estudyante, instructor siya, tapos nag-upgrade siya, nagiging siya na. Doon na siya sa office nag-work sa examiner, yung taga-exam na lang. Sasakay sila sa sasakyan, tapos yung test is tatanungin ka nila, mag-park ka dito, mag-park ka dyan, tapos lahat ng observation dapat mong gawin na mga mirror and everything, mga junction, ang dami-dami yung kailangan serve pag nag-exam. So, yun yung sabi ng aking instructor. So, sinabihan ko siya kahapon. Kasi ito siya, nagme-message sa akin. Nandyan lang siya sa harap. Nagme-message. Concern na concern kasi yan siya sa akin. Nung hindi pa ako nakapasa, palagi nga sila nag-offer na Elgin, if you needed something, pwede mo ipasakay si Jessica sa amin every morning at saka sa afternoon. Pag pagod na pagod ka na, hindi mo na kaya maglakad. Sabi ko sa kanya na, i-accept namin yung offer at si Wayne. Kasi nung hindi pa ako nakapasa, nahihirapan talaga ako. Pero si Jessica, ayaw niya talaga na nahihiya daw siya na siya lang mag-isa. Gusto niya ako talaga yung mag-drop. So ngayon, kahapon, tingala ko lang, parang naglakad ako na parang baki. Sabi niya, I thought it's not you, but I see Jennifer. and the way how you walk. Sabi ko, oh, bakit? Sabi niya, ang tagal na natin hindi nag-usap sa personal. How was you? How's everything? Ganon siya. Kailan ka manganganak? Anong... Sabi ko sa kanya na, kapasa na yun ako. At least hindi na kami maglakad-lakad ng mga bata kung saan kami pupunta. Easy na lang kung merong gustong bilhin sa Morrisons. Easy na lang lahat, lalo na merong upcoming baby. At naghihingal lang ako ngayon. So, sobrang happy niya. Sabi niya, I'm so happy for you. Kasi siya, nagtitake din yan siya at nag-ano siya ba ng lesson. Kasi hindi talaga easy dito. Meron kang theory, yung sa computer test. Tapos yung sa driving. Basta, ang hirap magkuha ng lisensya dito. Kaya si Wayne, nung pumasa ako, grabe yung reaction niya. Sumigaw talaga siya at nag-jump. Sabi ko, what's happening to you? Sabi niya, it's a big deal, mommy. Alam mo, hindi easy makakuha ng kuan dito ng driving license lagi daw. Kaya sobrang happy niya for me. Kasi kung hindi ako pumasa last time, kung hindi niyo panood yung video, meron na akong video last time. Kung hindi ako pumasa last time, magbabayad kami ng another na naman kay Mark. Every labas ko, money yan. It costs money. 1.5 hour, mga magkano. Nagtanong nga siya sa akin kahapon, magkano yung bayad ko. 1.5 hour, parang 40 or... Si Wayne kasi yung tagabayad. Tapos, mag-theory na naman ako dahil yung theory test, yung sa computer, 2 years. 2 years lang. So, mag-i-expire na naman, mag-theory na naman ako. Ang hirap pa naman ipasa ng theory test. Tapos, another extension na naman, another antay sa ilang mga months kung kailan merong available na time or kailan sila magbibigay ng schedule sa'yo. Pero sa akin, okay na. Tapos nag-message nga sila dito na how did I prepare daw ng aking exam, bla bla bla, kay pumasa daw ako. Ayan sa aking Gmail kanina nabasa ko. Hi Elgin, DVSA driving test. Dear Elgin Lawless, you recently took your driving test at Newport, blah blah. Tell us how you prepared your test. Would like to find out about how you prepared your driving test. Na! Ganun yung sinabi nila. So, tapos nag-congrats na yan sila sa akin, yung DVSA. Ayan o. Pagka-take ko ng exam ko, diretso yung result. Pero hindi ko pa nakuha yung card ko. Pero yung card ko na provisional, nandun sa kanila, kinuha nila sa akin. So, ayan. Yan yung aking test result. Yan yung sinabi nila sa akin na pass. Tapos yung aking napasahan, manual na car. At nandito yung aking driving, kung paano niya ako in-observe, lahat-lahat. Yung lang daw sa akin is yung pag-speed ko ba. Yung dapat 50 ang speed sa daanan na yun. Sa akin daw, parang hindi siya naging minimum ba yan or maximum. Yung sa middle bitaw, instead na 50, dapat nasa 49 or 48 ka, ganun, 47. Ako, medyo lower yung aking speed. Tapos sabi ng examiner, I think because she's pregnant and there's no harm for that. Kasi pag pregnant, expecting mother ka daw, careful ka ba kung ano yung dinadala mo. Lalo na sa speed, natatakot daw ako. Tapos sabi ng aking instructor, yes, na-notice ko talaga yan. Yung mula nang nabuntis yan siya, ang speed niya sobrang hina na. Siguro na-board na din si Mark. Parang hindi ako sa, example, pag 20, yung aking speed is 18, 17, ganun. Dapat pag 20 ang speed limit, nasa ako, 19 or 20, hindi lalagpas. Pag lalagpas ako, babagsak naman din ako. Pero ma-careful, maingat ako ba. Hoy! Tayong sunlight today at inyong inday, wa na gyud ni. Next time na tayo babawi sa ating beauty pag nakapanganak na ako, magpa-alaga-alaga na ako sa aking mukha. Dalawang mga bata doon ay. So dalhin ko na to sa taas. Dali na lang. You find na your leggings ka and we make your hair.
Mommy?
Yes? Your whose friend? Kita nyo yung itsura dito. Sobrang kalat. Kung maghanap ako ng, ito pala si Jennifer, ayan o, si Jenny, yan, nakita ko sa ano, sa room ni Wayne. Kailangan ko siyang iligpit sa, doon sa ligpitan. Pero iligpit ko muna to dito. Ito siya, ismit na to gagamitin. Mahilig sila mag-drawing, no? Pag hindi sila mag-iPad, mag-drawing, so which is good. Mag-on ako nito, kay mag-music tayo. At
Bluetooth mode.
maghahanap ako ng ano, tawag nito, damit, kay magbihis na ako. Uy, kay mura na ako aning kagaral, ay na walang bihis-bihis. Hala, nahulog. Tapulan kay kudo, as in, pagtitiklop, mga ano. Ay, hinihingal na kasi ako. Kasya pa kaya sa akin to? Iwan ko, wala ang kasya. Pati mga kuan, mga damit ko, wala na akong magamit. Naunsa naman yung inday, oy, sobrang laki na. Hindi ko na mamili, oy, kaya ang dami ko ng gamit ba, niya, magsige pa kong pambili. Daginot na lang ako yung mga damit ni Wayne na hindi ginagamit sa akin na. Okay. Pag-music ta, oy, para meron tayong magandang ambience. May
Tagalog crime stories. Kung saan ibinabahagi ko
naman
ang
hinuon. Ay, gumara naman ang baliw. Do another you not here in the sun is say. Ligo na inyong inday, oy. Ligo! Ligo! Ponje, 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 sinta. Maligo na ko kay. Wa na gyud.